In November 2024, Assemblyman Dr. Corey A. Jackson took the time to meet with the Riverside County Probation Department. The RCP leadership team was excited for the opportunity, eager to present the important work that has been going on within the department. Assemblyman Jackson spent the afternoon learning about the department's 5-year strategic plan and heard from both adult and juvenile services before heading to the Alan M. Krogan Youth Treatment and Education Center for a tour. During his visit, Dr. Jackson was able to see the commitment that RCP staff has for the youth firsthand, as they discussed the many programs and activities that were designed with the futures of the youth in mind.
What I'm very excited about and that I've learned about today is that focus of making sure that we understand that where they start is not where they have to end up.
As a part of the tour, he was able to get a sneak peek into the updates that the facility will undergo in the near future, expanding learning and vocational opportunities, and allowing the Riverside County Probation Department to support the youth in even more impactful ways on their path to rehabilitation.
I've always felt that it was important to make sure that we continue to have as many webs of support for young people, and no matter where young people find themselves, and no matter what mistakes that they make, that we always should have opportunities for allow them to heal and be able to be on a path to thrive.
We sincerely thank Assemblymember Dr. Corey A. Jackson for his time and attention, and we applaud his dedication to the youth within our community. We are proud and privileged to share such a positive vision for the future of the youth in our care.
And so very grateful for the progress that Riverside County has made, for them continuing to be a leader in the state and in the nation in this work.